Okay, so we already had the US news an hour ago. PPI. So the first thing I was trying to figure out today's bias for GJ. It's not the easiest thing to figure out, for me at least. Weekly seems bullish if we consider the fact that this is not a closed candle, and that if you say, okay, this is support, and you have a tested candle because it's bearish, bullish, not bearish, bearish, I would say the weekly current flow is more bullish than anything still. The daily flow is still technically bearish because this daily candle isn't closed yet, but I do see a higher low that possibly means that price could use the volume it has here and just, you know, continue bullish. That's an option, but it's not technically finished to say, yeah, we're actually bullish on the daily. It looks like it though, but it's not official. On the 4 hour, we had resistance created here, bullish. So I can only assume based on the 4 hour that this is what's a possibility. So then we would be waiting for our bullish transition. But then again, that could be wrong, you know. So yeah, that's what I would say I'm waiting for. If no bullish transition happens on the 15 or 30 minute, then there's nothing to trade. Gold, she's already done. She's been doing what she needs to do. And you know, technically the entire time you should have known that you could still take sells, because what happened here? Bullish, but you never had another bullish candle. So technically the moment you had this break of support happen right in this area, you could have been like, okay, cool. That's a sign for me to sell. You can sell after you get 2 bearish candles. Boom. Take profit at the previous low. That would have been a super nice trade, right? And then for NOS, oh my gosh, I think I won this trade. That was a nice trade. The 4 hour was bearish. The 15 minute was bearish, right? Because we had last lower high broke. Okay, now the moment was bullish. Then we had our breaks here, and so anything that came up from here was technically bullish, even though it would come up into like this resistance level. Still, it was bullish the entire time. So yeah. But yeah, that's my outlook for these. I'm bullish on GJ, although it keeps coming into this area, into this weekly liquidity area, and then keeps going bearish. So that's also a possibility, but I don't know. Again, like I said, if I don't see a bullish transition, then there's probably no trade for me to take either way. So we'll see.